Hello, my name is Ron Sherrick, and I'm the Vice President of the Electrical Supplies Business Unit for CBT Company. The Electrical Supplies Business Unit represents roughly 18 to 20% of the total dollars of business that CBT transacts in a year. The Electrical and Automation Business Units are business units that have a lot of synergies and work closely together, but Electrical Supplies is an integral business unit that interacts with all the CBT business units. Electrical Supplies supports our customers either with direct interactions with the customer, or we support our account managers who are interacting with the customers. The types of CBT employees that support Electrical Supplies can range from an inside salesperson that primarily has an electrical products background, or could be an electrical supplies specialist that is a subject matter expert in a particular electrical product category such as lighting, power, or safety, or maybe a particular market vertical like food and beverage. The key types of products that Electrical Supplies encompasses are everything from transformers that are fed from the incoming power lines and all the various components for all the machinery within an industrial or production facility. I would welcome any questions or interests you may have in learning more about the Electrical Supplies business.